Hi, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician coming back at you. Got a question for you. What is this and what is it for? Well, these are water filters, and what these do is they filter water in your refrigerator. People ask, do I need them? Don't know. My house, I've got really soft water. I like the way my water tastes, so I don't necessarily need a water filter. But my fridge does have one, and yes, I do have one in it, and you do use it. So that's a lot about, do you like the taste of your water or not? Now, how often should you change this? The machine, basically every 6 months, it lets you know that the filter's been in there for 6 months, okay? If you're like me and basically have maybe 9 pieces of ice cube a year and maybe a gallon or 2 water out of your refrigerator, you probably don't have to change it every year. But now if you're like my brother and all he does is half a glass of ice, whole lot of water out of the fridge, yeah, he uses a whole lot more water to do, so yeah, he does go through what his filters allow. But the recommendation I can give you is, you know what your water tastes like when it's filtered. The moment it starts having a different taste to it, that's the time you want to change your filter. Now, there's a couple different kinds of filters. You have regular filters, which are basically fiber paper that the water goes through and it filters out a lot of the contaminants or whatever may be in the water. And then you have what's called activated charcoal or reverse osmosis. There are 2 different filters. They are basically specific to the model you have. You can't interchange these. You have to go with what your model is designed for. Like I said, not all filters are created equal. They can have different applications. They go in different places. So you want to make sure you get the manufacturer's recommended filter for your machine. So basically, every 6 months your machine's going to go off. Yeah, you probably should. If you're not me, you don't use a lot, you don't have to, but you do have to reset, otherwise it's going to give you that little annoying beep saying, hey, change me, hey, change me, hey, change me. All of your instruction manuals will tell you how to reset the water filter if you're not going to do it with an actual filter. If you don't know, you can go online, and they all have the instruction manuals online that can show you how to reset your filter, so you can keep going like me. I changed mine. This is the 3rd time, and I've had it for like 9 years, so you do the math. But if you have any more questions, feel free to send them in, let us know, because you can see us on the YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe because we got a whole lot of good information for you guys coming at you. Thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day.